Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix camera not working on Android. Once you notice there's an issue about the Android phone camera not working, for instance, you launch the app and tap error message, camera not working. Don't hesitate to restart the device, especially if you use your device for a long period. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap on App Management option. Find Camera app. Click Camera app. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. Then click Permission. Then allow all permission. Click Back. Click Force Stop. Now open your camera. Then click Agree and continue. You can see my camera is working properly. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.